everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Now I will show you how to use the TD162 paging system. First, we need to connect the power. You can see it turn on. And how to turn on the pager. And just put it in the charging case when it is powered. So that will work. And as you can see, this is the charging part, so make sure you put it correctly. Otherwise, it will not work. If you want to change the setting, it was not okay. So you can see it will turn on automatically. And as you can see, the number will show it this. And for this product, it supports 998 pages total. So I will tell you how to change the pager ID first. If you want to change the pager ID, first you need to go to the setting mode. For the setting mode, you have to press the delete and confirm key at the same time. Then at this moment you want to F1 and the paging ID is 2. Just press 2. Okay, and press this. If you want to change it to the 997, and first you need to press 997 and remove the pager and press confirm in 5 seconds. Otherwise it won't set successfully. Now you can see it works. And in the standby mode, you just press delete and 997. As you can see, it works. If the information here is LO, it means low power. You need to charge it. And for this product, it supports 999 ID. So if you want to use more than one keypad, that works. Just make sure they are in the same keypad ID. Go to the setting, and the F1 is for the keypad ID. Now you can see it's 0. You can change it to anyone under 999. That will work. Just press confirm. Okay. But in case there's any change, I will still use the 0. Okay. Because if you change the paging ID, the pagers may not pair. So make sure that you keep the same pager ID and change the pagers, repair the pagers again. Otherwise, it may not work. So that's it. It's quite easy. If you want to know more information, feel free to contact us. And in the back of the package, there are our contact information. Email support@retekess.com and website www.retekess.com. Thank you.